Right, we all love a good story. Now this one is in particular about a gentleman who, in the heart of a global pandemic, set out with a simple task in mind. By doing so, he ignited the hope in hearts of millions of people and basically rallied the UK behind the NHS. For my international viewers, the NHS is known as the National Health Service, and these guys and girls are on the forefront of fighting the COVID-19 virus here in the UK. So they're basically risking their lives for our safety. And that being close to his heart, he set out with a simple task of completing 100 laps of his garden before his 100th birthday. So this guy's 99 years old, which is incredible. So basically news quickly spread about his endeavours. News outlets all across the country got wind of it and started spreading the news. And the roller coaster ride that ensued from here was something out of a fairy tale. And upon completing his 100th lap, he managed to accumulate more than £32.7 million, which is absolutely incredible. And on doing that, not only he's created 2 new world records, being the oldest person to have a UK #1 single on the music charts. He did a duet for a song which accelerated the donations, and the second world record was for the person who has accumulated the most donations by a single person, which is incredible. And then to put the cherry on top, he recently was knighted. So I give you Sir Tom Moore. Now, a good friend of mine, Cheryl Robson, got in touch with me and she said, why don't we do something special for this chap? He's, definitely, and I jumped on board straight away and thought nothing better. Being close to my heart, he's a veteran, so absolutely. So please join me while I hand engrave a portrait of Sir Captain Tom Moore. Hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed engraving this portrait for Sir Tom Moore. So thank you very much for everything you've done, and I'm sure the NHS and the rest of the country are incredibly grateful for what you have done, and congratulations for all your achievements. Well done. You're an absolute legend. Be sure to check out my Instagram. We'll be doing a couple giveaways for some hand engraved portraits in the next coming weeks. Give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing, and I will surely see you guys in the next one.